Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Oppo A78 5G device, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. So firstly, remember one rule. Never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port. I suggest to use an old toothbrush, which you no longer use. So, firstly, if you have the cover, you need to take the cover off. So as you can see, I have no cover on my device. And to clean the connector, you just need to insert the one part of the toothbrush into the connector. So as you can see, there is something that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector. And to clear it, just insert one part of the brush and just pry the dirt out. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.